Hey guys, it's Kemi. Thanks for watching. This is how I make my meals on a weekly basis to save money. This is my pasta. This is my chicken pasta. I made a video for that. And this is my chicken to make my chicken sandwich. So I'm putting some stuff together in cooperation with Fit and Fresh in order to show you what I make. This is my chocolate chip, which I'll be cutting up a piece to add to my lunch. This is the potato chips, and this is my roll for my chicken. And now I am toasting the roll. So while I'm toasting that, I'm heating up the pasta and putting it in my Pyrex glass bowl. I made a video for this, so you can look at the video in the link below on how I made my chicken pasta noodle soup. So I'm covering it up. And this is my cheddar cheese, which I'm going to add on top of my chicken. So when I add it in, I'm going to cover it until it melts. And this is my mayonnaise, which I'm going to add on my roll. This mayonnaise I got from the Whole Food Market. And now this is my spring mix that I'm going to add to my sandwich, and then I've added my chicken. So I'm going to put everything together, and now I'm going to take my aluminum foil and I'm going to wrap the sandwich. Once I finish wrapping the sandwich, I am going to put it in my Fit and Fresh lunch bag. This is the stuff that came with the Fit and Fresh. They give this to you free with your Fit and Fresh bag. I will leave the link below. And this is my cooler. If you want things cold, you can put it in a freezer and it would help keep your stuff cold. And this is the inside of the bag to show you how big it is and how much can fit in that bag. And now I'm adding my sandwich, my chicken pasta soup, my chocolate chip cake, my chips, so I'm going to organize this bag because I got a lot of stuff in there. So I'm probably going to take the sandwich out and stand it up a bit so that everything can fit. And now I have my Soma water bottle, glass bottle, which I love. And I added it with water. I'll leave the link below for my Soma bottle. It comes in beautiful colors. And that is pretty much it with my my Fit and Fresh bag with all my lunch ready for the day. And I'm good to go. I will leave the link below for all of the Fit and Fresh bags for men, women, and children. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.